Hey guys, Eric here from Eric Reviews This. We're going to talk about today GreenAir Nature Mist Essential Oil Diffuser. I got to tell you, this is one of the best diffusers I've ever used. And it seems to be a pretty big trend right now as far as a lot of people I know using them. So let's kind of dig into it here. You can see there's the box to the left, so that's what it looks like in the box, and out of the box to the right. But let's get into the details of it. So stick around, be right back. Alright, so I want to tell you guys a little bit about the benefits, or I should say features, of the Essential Oil Diffuser. It does have a running time of about 16 hours. It covers up to about 1,000 square feet. There are 3 level dimming white LED lights, and in a minute we'll show you how the lights actually change colors. There is some cool mist technology here. I'd say it's a really cool thing to have. If it's winter time, and you know you're in a front room area or even a kitchen, the lights are dim, you really sort of get that nice aroma. And again, it just depends what you're actually using as far as an essential oil. There's mostly water involved in this, and if you know anything about essential oils, you're just going to use a few drops anyway. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this started. Alright, so this top's going to come off here, and this is where we're going to actually put the water in. Oh, 1 top, 2 top. Alright. Alright, so now we're going to put the water to the water line in here, or at least close to it, because she's going to put a few drops of the essential oil. Okay. Line that up. And that's it. Alright, going to explain real quick here. We got 3 buttons right here, right? So this first button right here, we're going to press it, and we've got a white light that's just going to stay on. So maybe you don't want the oil diffused, and you just want to use it just as a light. That's fine. Now, if you hit it again, okay, we got it turning purple. This is where it actually starts changing colors. So now we've got it changing colors still. We can go back and we can turn it off completely now. Okay, now we got it turned off. But let's go back and turn it on again. And what we're going to do on the far right, we're going to press the button on the far right. That's going to hit the diffuser to go on. And then it's going to start to diffuse the oils there. But let's hit it again. It looks better when it's different colors, right? Okay, so the one on the far left changes colors, whether just a straight up white or changing colors. And the one on the far left is going to change it so it will diffuse the oils. Now, there's a button that's in the middle that will give you the option of either A, letting it run for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and that's it. That means it'll shut off at some point right after that. So, well, that's it for the video there, guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to know where you can find this really cool essential oil diffuser here, just go to the description box to find out more information. Just wanted to mention real quick as far as essential oils, the one that we're using today is made by a company called Now. We're using lavender, and again, we only used a few drops. But basically, this is a really nice, light, essential oil aroma. And again, as far as like the smell, it's more floral, but it's soothing, it's balancing, it's a very relaxing scent. So if you guys are interested in the Now essential oil, the lavender make, you can find that as well in the description box.